हाय हेलो वेलकम। इस वीडियो में हम लोग सीखेंगे कि कैसे एक्सेल को उपयोग किया जाता है। एक्सेल यूज करने के लिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नीड टू क्लिक ऑन स्टार्ट बटन इन दिस विंडोज। स्टार्ट इज हियर, just click on that, you will get started menu, and all the apps are installed in front of this. Okay, so if you want to move, then you can scroll that also. You'll get all those applications whatever you have installed in your systems, right? So we need to use an Excel. So just click on that. We got Excel, and we'll able to see the interface of Excel. Just create a new blank workbook. Okay, just simply click on that. You will get this interface, and now you can use Excel. Okay, see what is this. Actually, this is sheet 1, and we can add more sheets by clicking on plus signs. See, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 are added. Okay, sheet 4 are added. uh, to which sheet you can use, just simply click on that. That's it, will be activated actually. Okay, so the main thing is this, what you can do in Excel and how it is different from others actually. Okay, see, MS Excel is a spreadsheet which is used to create calculation based document. Okay, see how calculation based document is actually. See, in this sheet actually it is the grid of lines. Okay, grid of lines means it is combination of rows and columns. See, it is columns, and this is, these are rows. Okay, where the columns and rows are intersects uh, individually, then known as cell, means कि ये जो एक्टिव सेल है ना, जहाँ पे हमारा हाईलाइट हो रहा है बॉर्डर, ये एक सेल है। इसका जो नाम होता है, ये इधर से देखिए कॉलम इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है, इधर से रो। तो जहाँ पे कॉलम और रो इंटरसेक्ट करे, दैट पॉइंट is called cell. Okay, and हर एक सेल का अपना नाम होता है, and the name will display in the name box. It is called name box. Okay, and the cell reference also it is called. And what cell reference is made up by? It is followed by the column name by row number. Okay, how it will be used actually? See, if you want to use this cell, then you can use D and 3. If you write D3, then whatever data in this cell, it will be updated on that cell, on there where you will. Okay, so let us see an example how we can use some more tools in this. Okay, so let us create a field. Okay, suppose a cell name, roll number. Okay, and subject Hindi, English, maths, science, SST, SNK, computer. Okay, and there is total. All these are fields. Okay, put some demo data. 1, 2, 3, and so on. Okay, you can drag this also to copy. Just see, drag and see autofill series. You can use from here full series. It will make sequence automatically. Okay, put the names. Suppose I can put Nitish, right? NITI search. Roll number 1, Hindi 50, English 55, Math 62, Science 47, SST 80, 8, and SMK 90, Computer 99. Okay, all subjects belongs uh, to any marks and out of 100. Okay, we want to calculate totals, then we can calculate by using formulas also. Equal to sum, bracket open and bracket close. In the bracket you can add the range of cells. How you select range of cells? See the starting point from where you are going to add. Okay, see that's it, and the ending cell. Okay, that's it, and you can drag by mouse and the range will automatically calculate it like this. See, press enter, you will get the result. Okay, and if you want to add more details, means Vikram, if you want to add VIKRM, Vikram number 2 and the 55, 88, 96, 65, 44, 52 and 95. Okay, if you want to calculate some of these also, then just you can drag this formula, it will automatically calculate it, and this formula is known as relative reference, and by the help of relative it is automatically calculated. So like that we can use this Excel. There are several tools, there are so many features. If you like to use, then just try to use and try to use the tools one by one, and you will get the options whatever this will provide you. Okay, thank you for today. If you like my channel, just do subscribe my channel. If you like my videos, then just do subscribe my channel and share with your friends, and press notification bell to get updated. Thank you.